Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your save. Sign into the same social or platform account inside Gardenscapes on your old phone. Once linked, make sure the game syncs. Wait for confirmation like saved or cloud backup complete. Also update the app so versions match. Mismatched versions can block transfers. While still on the old device, write down any shown transfer code or player ID. After that, keep both phones charged and on the same Wi-Fi. You're ready to move to the next steps. On the new phone, install Gardenscapes from the official store and open it. When prompted, choose to load a previous game or tap the social login button and sign into the same account you used earlier. This tells the server to deliver your save. If the game asks for a transfer code, enter the code you noted. Once you allow the game to sync, watch for a confirmation that your town and currency have appeared. Make sure app versions match. If not, update and retry to avoid conflicts. Finish by verifying your Gardenscapes progress. Open your profile and confirm levels, coins, and items mirror the old device. If anything is missing, first force close and reopen the app. Once done, try reinstalling and signing in again. For cross-platform moves, mention the platform difference when restoring, because some data needs developer intervention. If problems persist, contact support with your player ID, the transfer code, and screenshots. They can merge or restore saves. One key tip: keep both devices until support confirms success.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.